This is Maddie here at the Thomasson family farm. She is our artist. She is going to do a little face painting. Hi. This is Miss Emma. This is opening day. It's so nice to see them out. I'll see Emma again, I know, because they live locally and they love to come out here and play. Okay, Emma, turn your head a little so I can see. It's a unicorn with sparkles on it. I love it. I love it. Allie, look at me. You seem to have quite a few, huh? Your face painting, and let me see your arm. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, it is. Good to see you here today, Emma. Thanks for coming out.